The dismal shame of poverty, suffering, and human degradation of my continent is a blight that we share. The blight on our happiness that derives from this, and from our drift to the periphery of the ordering of human affairs that leaves us in a persistent shadow of despair. This is a savage road to which nobody should be condemned.
In our work that we are doing with South Center, providing advice and policy advice for 55 countries of the South in their work in the UN and in the World Trade Organization. It's the position that he has accepted once again for the second term as the chair of the South Center. He has been seriously involved in convening the Sudanese in an effort to try and resolve the unfolding catastrophe that we are facing in Sudan today.